In this video, we will see 2 paragraphs in the first video that talk about a new niche, and the second part talks about how much my profits are from YouTube, in addition to the method of making talking avatar that I use in my videos. So, come on. We will not make a freshness about the clip that we will make in the first part.
In a dense forest, Bob, a not-so-bright explorer, stumbles upon a mysterious cave and eagerly ventures inside, only to discover it's a bear's den. Terrified, he bolts out with the bear chasing him through the forest. In a desperate bid to escape, Bob accidentally falls into a pit where he's finally safe from the bear. Catching his breath, Bob realizes the lesson he's learned. Some places are better left unexplored. Curiosity can lead to unexpected adventures, so it's wise to be cautious about where it takes you.
To write the script, we will use ChatGPT as usual. First, we copy this prompt and send it to the ChatGPT like this, and we wait until he gives our answer. Then, we will ask him to rewrite this script in one integrated paragraph, but suitable for a short video that is only 45 seconds to a minute. In this way, we wait until it ends. As you can see, he has written for us our script. In addition, you can ask him to change any paragraph or anything such as changing the event, animal, place, etc. We will now need the narrator of this paragraph, so we will go to the site 11 Labs to convert writing into saying. Because this site provides you thousands of important voices, I choose Adam's voice as the voice of the narrator like this. So I will return to the script and copy the paragraph about the narrator like this and paste it here, and we click on generate and download the audio after you prepare it. After downloading the audio now, we will need the photos in this video. We will use the site that we used in the previous video, which is Lexica. It will suit the shape of the images we will use. This is its interface here. You can search for the photos you need and modify them or make the photos yourself. You will click on generate and you will appear with you this second interface. So now we will return to ChatGPT and we will copy the second prompt and send it to him to write us a set of prompts that we will use to make pictures. As you see, he wrote it for us. You will use it and paste it to on Lexica. But we will not use it because I prefer to read my sugar and write prompts myself. As you can see, I have written it. Now we will copy the first like this and we go to Lexica in this way and we click on the generate button. We wait a little and the pictures appears with us. And we create others images like this just by using prompts in this way. After all the pictures appers with us, we need now to download them just by clicking on the download button above each image. And now, there are some pictures that I want to become videos. Not all, but 4 pictures. So I will go to the runway. This is how I go down a little and click on this feature here. We add the pictures in this way. Then I wait a little until they are uploaded and press generate, and I wait until the pictures are uploaded. And to not waste time, we add the second image in this way. We wait a little, then we click on generate, and so on until the images we want to convert to video are finished. After you upload the photos, now we will need music, so we will go to Pixabay and search for music without rights. Printing and publishing are suitable for our topic. The important thing after choosing it, we download it in this way. But here I will download 2 music. You will understand why about their first use in the exploration paragraph, and the second to use them in the escape paragraph. We download them because we will use them in the montage. Now we go to the CapCut, and we add all the supplies that we downloaded earlier. Then we will add the audio of the script in this format. Then we will add the photos and videos in this way in the same order as you can see. We will add pictures and video, and the images must be suitable with the audio with the script, so that there is a consistency between the audio and the images. After arranging the images, we adjust the video size to 9.16, and then we return to each picture separately and enlarge them in this way until you fill the video screen in this way. After finishing now, we will go to every video and image and add animation to each image exactly. We will go to the combo feature, exactly the combo animation option. In this way, we will add the zoom option to the first image and then add bounce 1 to the next picture. And so on the first picture, zoom 1, and the second bounce 1 until the images are finished. This step is only to decorate the video and bring the attention of the viewer. After finishing now, we add optical zoom in this way. We look at it first and then we add it in this way, but only in the places to which we want to add a special touch. Then we add the vignette effect like this, and we reduce its intensity to 50% after lengthening it to add it to all photos and videos. Now we will search for horror decision sound effect like this, then we add it in the right places exactly in the scenes before the danger. Then we lower its voice slightly and copy it to add it in other suitable places. Now we search for Scream Boy sound effect to add it to the picture in which the person is afraid of the bear. We always lower the sound slightly, then we go and we search for the sound of the fall and add it in the scene where the character appears as if it is in the middle of a hole in the middle of the forest. Then we search for sound of breathing and we add it to the scene that the character appears like. We are tired of running away. And then we search for the sounds of the forest to add it like this. We copy it so that the entire video is enough. Finally, we search for the sound of the naspe in the middle of the forest and add it, in addition to searching for the sound of the bear and adding it in the places where a picture appears. Now it's time to add captions, so we'll now go to the text option feature, then we'll choose the auto caption, make sure that the language is on the English, then we'll press create, and we'll wait until the writing appears with us. After appearing it, the first step is to change the template to these indicated, and then we convert the writing place to the center of the video in this way. Finally, we will add the music that we downloaded earlier. We will use in the initial scene in this way, and always when we add any music, we determine its duration, decrease its voice, and add to it the feature of fade in and fade out. And then here we add the second music in the same way as a background in this way, and we reduce its voice slightly so that it does not exceed the sound of the narrator, and adjust the duration of the music as well. We are now extracting the video, and as I always say, make sure the quality of the video and the number of frames before extracting it. Now let's move on to recognize the profits I make from YouTube. Yeah, this is how much I won in my popular video who gained 60K views. Let's know. Exactly 57 days ago, I posted a video on the channel, and it has received more than 60,000 views. We are watching you how much it will be. This video has helped me to obtain more than 1,500 new subscribers in the channel. Without the wood language, let's discover the profits of these most famous videos on the channel and the least known on it and compare their profits. I created this channel 8 years ago, and I couldn't make a profit from it to this year. And my channel was exactly accepted in YouTube Partner Program on 27 Mars 2024 exactly, only 2 months ago. But before that, I suffered a lot, as I was doing work for at least 16 hours to produce a week video, where in some days I work, I say when I will be rich and make a profit from this channel. My case is now and I am making a profit from it. First of all, I'll leave you with some pictures and secrets of the channel at the beginning. As you see in the pictures, I was creating content without meaning. That is, they don't care much about the content I submit, and I don't get any number of viewers. And even if I get it, it is limited to either 40 views or 100 views. So what is the problem? The problem was first the weak thumbnails, for example. If we look at impressions click-through rate, we will find that it is less than 5, which means the general percentage of people who click to watch your videos. Impressions click-trough rate, meaning it's show you what percentage of your impressions turned into views. This measures how often viewers watched your videos after seeing the thumbnail. In short, how many people enter to watch your video from the 100 after your video suggestion by YouTube to them. Even the video titles were weak. There is a huge difference. Now let's talk about the most famous video I have on the channel. If you find a freshness, you will find that it has achieved more than 65,000 views and 1,500 new subscribers for the channel. If we find a freshness on impressions rate, we will find that impressions have exceeded 500,000 and an average rate of 9.7%, and this is a nice rate. Even it is stable between 8% and 10%, and this is a good sign so far. As for the duration of the viewer, most viewers come out of the video in less than 2 minutes, and this is normal for an educational channel, especially if the video is between 8 minutes and 10 minutes. If we analyze the viewers of this video, we will find the most male and not female. As for the subscribers of the video, this is a problem because most of the viewers of this video did not subscribe to the channel, as their percentage was more than 95%, in addition to most of them between the ages of 18 and 34 years. This is a rather beautiful indicator, and the factor that puts the difference is where the viewers of your videos belong to any country they belong to. If you see the statistics, you will find most of them from the dear country of India. As for others from other countries such as Pakistan, United States, for example, if the number of viewers of your videos, the majority of them belong to the United States, there will be more profits than the current situation. Now let's move on to the video profit is only $145.87. This is a weak number because RPM this video is rather weak because it did not exceed $2.18 per thousand views. For example, if the RPM is only $6 in the calculation process, the video profits will be more than $400, but there is no problem with hard work. And thanks to you and your encouragement, we will achieve more with each other. Now let's move on to the other video statistics. Here you will find that the video is weak than the number of views, and the reason for this is that I posted it at the time when most of the subscribers were asleep, which is why I also changed the title of the video and the thumbnail more than once, and this is an impact on the impression rate that made it decrease to 2%. You can imagine, my dear friend, that I got tired on this video for 5 hours for $4. There are people who hit the credibility of the channel, although this channel is not the only income, just this is a hobby, and try to achieve a dream only. But if you have a problem with the timing of your video posting, you will go to Analytics and then to Audience. Go down a little and find the right timing for you. Open colored rectangles are the best times in which you can post videos. And now I'm doing video montage. I said why I don't make you in the same video in a way, how to make like the avatar that I use and who is talking to you in the video now. Come on, follow along with me. First, we go to Artflow AI. You go to Studio Image, then click on Create New Image. Then this interface will appear with you. Here you describe the character you want with all its details, from the color of his clothes to the shape of his room, his sitting, etc., and you click on Create and wait until the result will appear with you. After that, you go to an image and upload it. I have it before, so I do not need to create it. After that, now you go to Video Studio, then create video in this way. This interface will appear with you. Here you will click on Upload to add the image that you downloaded, and then click on the browser and choose the image. Then you wait until the face is selected. After that, you go to 11 Labs AI and create your own audio by writing the script here, then click on Generate and download it. Then you return here and add the audio in the same way. We choose it like this, then we press. On Use this voice, then Animate and Export. Here you put a title for the video, and then click on Export. You wait for it to download, and you click on it in this way. You go down a little and find the download mark and click on it in order for our video to download. If you notice that the video quality is a little weak, you can go to Google and search for Upscale Video CapCut 4K. This interface will appear with you. Here you add your video like this, then you click on Run, then wait until the download finishes. While our video is being edited, I want to tell you to never lose hope in making your profits from creating content, and always ask yourself the question, why? Why didn't I achieve my goal? Why is there no result? Why am I not the one making money from YouTube? Why I cannot, etc. Put confidence in yourself and complete your work. And every time try to develop your skills and tools and have confidence in your work. And I trust you and I will be proud if you achieve your goal. Trust yourself, man. After that, the result will appear with you, as you can see here. This is the result. To see the difference, we click here and zoom in a little to see how the details appear at first. Then we click again and see it after editing. I invite you to try the matter. If I have a video with poor quality, enhance it in this way. And this tool is free. You can do it with any numbers of videos, and that's good for us. To download your video, first click on Export, then select Download. Your video will begin downloading automatically. If you encounter any issues or have questions regarding YouTube earnings, Google Ads, or if you are concerned that your content may be rejected, feel free to send me the link to your channel privately on Telegram. You can find the Telegram link below the video. We will meet in a new video. Good luck. I love you all. Bye-bye.